Actually, now we are at the end of the assembly line, but I would like to show you from the start. So give us 1 minute to show you how it looks like in the beginning and how it will be produced into the whole electric car. And now this part is assembled the interior parts. Now we see here different colors, even different models can be assembled in one assembly line at the same time. That means
this is our new model GT103. Is that right?
Yeah. This is the lowest version of the Uni.
Yes.
Okay, there you can see actually there are many parts side of the assembly line. This is very easy for the workers to take out the parts and assemble